Hi guys, today we will be making stuffed zucchini. First, we will empty them, and before you empty them, you have to cut this thing on the top and this part on the bottom.
This
Instrument.
It's a tool we bought at Israel because while we were at vacation.
Could I say with the
While we were at vacation, we bought it because we can barely find any in America. Actually, we never.
Food with an instrument. I wonder who cuts food with
Can
an
I try?
instrument.
Can
I eat this?
I don't like eating the insides of zucchini.
This is good.
So you pick it as if though you're picking your nose, but not with your finger.
Food with an instrument. Could I play with
We're
this
trying to take as much as we can.
But who cuts fruit with an instrument? Could I play with this instrument when you get?
You're kidding me. It's like you're a garbage can. You're eating every single scrap of food.
It's good.
So now an empty zucchini. Can I try it?
Ready? We start with.
Could I try
Can I
it?
try it?
No.
Please.
I'll film.
Yes, wait. First you.
Then
Then Joseph.
Look
then
at
you.
So I'll cut this part here.
one floor broke the zucchini.
Yeah, when we were on vacation, I broke the zucchini.
Okay, try.
And Grandma said she's good.
If it's
When
hard,
she
just
was
give it to me,
not.
okay? I think it will be fine.
You're not doing
It's not easy.
I'm not even sure I'm doing it right. Come on, you thing.
That's why
What is your problem?
That's
Doing
why.
quite fine with it.
That's why this is useless, because it's an instrument.
Yeah. Good.
Right now we're washing the zucchini from the. So we finished washing the zucchini, and we're about to stuff
Like
them.
this to start.
Here they are. So we put 1.5 cups of rice in the water for
15 minutes.
15 minutes. And 1 kilogram of ground beef. So now we are putting the rice in.
Okay. It's here.
We dump it over with the milk.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of salt. Which I don't know how my mom measures it. And black pepper. Okay, you don't need those. Allspice. I don't know how much of it.
It's 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon, okay.
Corn oil. A little bit. That's me. 2 tablespoons. We mix that. And now the stuff is ready.
To stuff.
Stuff it in the zucchini, okay? To give it good taste. And mix it.
So we put tomatoes on the bottom so it can give a good taste.
And here, I'm not burn them.
We're not burn the zucchini.
Yeah.
We're gonna stuff it. So we hit it from the bottom, but not too hard, so the rice and the meat can go down.
That's it, it's full. supposed to be just
up to there. Don't fill it to the top or else the rice will
okay.
get out. Can I do one? I knew how to stuff it since I was 3 years old.
From where did you learn?
Oh, from Grandma. Because I was at her daycare, which was in the house.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands first.
This much?
Yeah, that's it. You clean it from outside like this, yeah. Put it here. Good. Good for you. Good. Great job. I like what you're doing. Good job. More. Great. Great job. Good. Good. You're really doing great. Yes. You're doing great. Good. Good job. It's enough, like great. Put the chair, the bowl.
Okay, so we stack them in the pot. Use spray salt, and if you want, you could put meat on the top for a good taste. Then you cook them for how long?
Or actually for 1.5 hours.
Okay, so you cook it. Once you put
When
everything.
it's boiled, actually you should put it in with a low and light fire.
But before it boils, leave it on high fire. Okay, so we're done putting it.
And we are going to put
Water. What
I'm going to
temperature?
fill it till almost till the top. You see the water? Still here.
Zucchini plate.
Yeah, to fix them. Not let them move actually. Yes. Apologize. Okay. We are going to wait till it boils. When it got boiled, we will put it in a low fire. Oh, zucchini is
Okay, after 1.5 hours on the fire, the zucchini is ready and the meat is ready too.
so.
Yeah.
Shouldn't I just film Jude's plate? Or are you saving that for Dad?
That's the way that you can eat zucchini.
You cut it in half or into little. Here's the rice and meat. Then you put sour cream or yogurt. Put sour cream.